The moment that I was named back in January, I can't tell you how excited I got. I'm so excited to be the principal and start to work with this community. This next year is just going to be a blast as I get to know students and parents and teachers, and as we try to establish a culture where all kids can learn at high levels here at this new middle school. Maybe the most important thing to realize when you look at this building is that this is the 7th iteration of this middle school that's been built in our district. Because of that, and because this is the 7th time this model's been built, there's been a lot of incredible improvements that have happened over the years. You get decreased costs when it comes to architecture and engineering. As time goes on, our great people at the district work with the different schools to improve on the model and improve on the actual building itself. I was walking through the building a number of months ago with our construction team, and as they came into contact with teachers and administrators at Viewpoint Middle School, they listened as they said, "Oh, it'd be great if we did this or if this changed." And of course, then they go and they make those changes, and that's where the building improves. You know, the materials that are being used and everything, it'll last 75 plus years. They design these buildings with our students in mind, right? Very, very student-centered. Now they've had these improvements in HVAC and how they design them, and so temperature is much, much better. If we have a classroom that needs to be changed into an art classroom, we can do that. And then of course, it's going to be safe for students. We've got these great secure entrances where we're able to keep buildings locked down and secure during the day. We've got these wide hallways where kids can move through, and there's these pods in between different sections of classrooms where kids can be and relax during class breaks, and where also, if there was an emergency, we could lock down that pod and kids could be comfortable and safe and have access to restrooms. So there's just a lot of positives to these new builds. I am so excited that we are just about a year away from opening. This is going to be a great thing for this Eagle Mountain community, to be able to have this new school and bring kids from this area into this great space. I'm just so grateful for the opportunity and the trust that's been given to me to make this a reality for this community.